Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, I want to talk about the we and the them in 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verses 16 and 17, where the common, most popular interpretation is that we, the living who are being left over, are robbed together with them who rise first, all simultaneously. But this is not what the Greek cases of these words reveal. Notice here when we look at the interlinear that we the living is a verb, remaining is a verb, and together is an adverb that points to the we, the living, remaining here. So again, we, the living who are being left over, are verbs, where at the like same time is the adverb limiting the being robbed to these. The them that is in the dative case comes prior, okay, according to the watch time orders. So the rise first is the parabolic first watch time disappeared in Luke 12:38, where thereupon here the from encounter is at midnight, which is the second order. So them in the dative case marks the indirect object of reception as the ones who will receive the action of the we, the living here. So we, the living, are all robbed together at the like same time to be with them, basically. Because again, the together soon here with them concerns the rise first, where then these come second, at the second order. So there's a span of time between the rise first and then the meeting in the clouds thereupon. It's not specified, but there's years between the rise first and the epanthesis into the clouds here. The we and them are not all robbed at the like same time. We, the living, are robbed at the same time to be with those who rise first, previously. So it's rise first, eventide, and then thereupon midnight, which the epanthesis here, 1 Thessalonians 4:17, is also seen in Matthew 25:6. It's the same event, same timeline. Epanthesis, Matthew 25:6, middle of the night. Second watch time conclusion, midnight, when the door of the wedding, Luke 12:36. Luke 12:36. The door is closed, which the door points to Mark 13:35. Midnight, parable of the 10 virgins, where those locked out of the wedding at midnight are into the third watch time. Right here, that's the third and last order to come into the wedding feasts. Where Paul is not really dealing with the third watch timers here, but they are the same context of the being made to slumber in the saddening here, who are not having expectation. So these are the third watch timers who will come into the wedding last, because if we faith that Jesus deadened away and rose again, thus we also faith that God will lead together with him those who are being made to slumber, who are not having expectation, into the midnight entering of the wedding. This is not all a simultaneous event happening here. It's two separate watch time orders.